EA-J100 remote controller charging usage precautions. Battery performance is greatly affected by temperature. High temperatures can lead to charging issues or inaccurate battery level displays. When the remote controller's battery level is inaccurate, you can check the voltage value in the app. If the voltage value is above 7.2 V, you can continue using it. If the temperature exceeds 45 degrees Celsius, charging issues may occur. In such cases, place the remote controller in a cool place and let it cool down to 40 degrees Celsius before charging. Update the remote controller firmware to the latest version. After that, perform joystick calibration. Finally, in the channel settings, ensure that the 7th channel value is set to 992.